welcome back. So, real quick before we even get into today's video, I want to apologize for my current looks, but y'all, it's like 11:30 at night right now. So, like, the makeup has been on all day. I was over, like, being dressed. I put on a comfy t-shirt, threw my hair up. I don't usually come on camera just, like, so unprepared. I mean, I try to put effort into it, although sometimes it don't come out looking like I put in effort. But anyways, I do want to throw in a disclaimer and apologize for me not looking like my usual self. I am looking a little more in my chill mode. But like I said, it is because it is currently 11:30 at night and I want to go ahead and film this video so that I can go to sleep and get ready for it tomorrow. But we are completely disregarding and skipping over the way that I look right now because we are packing for the beach. I'm sure you could tell by the title of this video, but I am taking a beach trip this weekend. You guys, I am so excited for this trip because, first of all, mama needs a break. Second of all, I haven't been to the beach in a very long time. Believe it or not, I haven't been to the beach as an adult. The last time I was at the beach, I was only like 9 years old. So it is well overdue. And I cannot express how lucky, grateful, and excited I am that my cousin reached out and was like, girl, we going to the beach, you coming? And I was like, yes, like I am on the way. Let me know when, where, how, what, whatever, I'm coming. And I have spent the last couple of days trying to find my clothes, wash them, get everything organized because I have so many clothes. This closet is a mess. I had to dig and dig and dig to find some of the things that I wanted to take. So tonight I actually packed everything up, got everything ready. That way tomorrow all I have to do is get up, get myself ready, and we are gone. So I figured with the blessing of this trip just falling out of the sky for me, I thought, why not make content with it too? So, of course, that is what we are here to do. Tonight I am going to be showing you guys what bags I'm taking, what I'm taking to the beach as far as like outfits, shoes, all of that stuff. Some of the things I'm not going to get into because it's just random things. But we are going to go ahead and get started because I think I have rambled on enough. So obviously one of the things that I'm taking to the beach is my purse. I've got to have, you know, my cards, my medicine, like you guys, I got to take my purse. You got to have the necessities. So in here, I just have the usual things, my medicine, my wallet, some sunglasses, some hand sanitizer, some body spray, normal things that I carry in my purse anyways. So that's what's in here. But in this purse, I'm also going to be taking my laptop. It's a little taller than this purse, but it has 2 compartments. So on the other side of this here, I'm saving that for my laptop because my phone has absolutely no space. And I do want to vlog and get footage and, you know, all of that stuff because it's an exciting time at the beach. And I want to make sure that I get it. So I have to take my laptop so that I can get little clips, put it on my laptop, and then refresh my phone because the memory on my phone is absolutely terrible. So the next bag that I'm taking is my old ripped up, like this bag has been through it. This used to be my everyday purse, my big old never full. I'm actually taking this clip too. I just clipped it on the side because you never know. But in here, I have a bunch of random things. It's mostly shoes, but I do have my 2 makeup bags. You guys, I like to go over prepared and have more things instead of going under prepared and not having half the things that I need. I also have 2 sets of lashes left because I go through lashes like crazy, you guys. So I'm taking the last 2 that's in that set. And mind you, before I get too far, speaking of being over-prepared, we are only going, tomorrow's Friday, and we're leaving Friday after my cousin gets off work. So it'll be like a night ride. By the time we get there, it'll be nighttime, so we'll probably, you know, spend Friday night, and then we'll have Saturday night, Sunday, and then we're coming back home Sunday. So, like, just keep in mind, all of this is just for, like, 2 days. But that's me. I'm an overpacker, I'm over-prepared, and I'm a girly girl. I pack a lot of stuff, okay? Got my little hair gel here. I'm not going to go through like everything. In the side compartment here, I just have hair ties, bobby pins, my toothbrush, just, you know, personal things like that. And then this is where all of the shoes come in. But I'm going to show you the shoes. No, I was going to do it by outfit, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys all the shoes that I'm taking, and then I'm going to show you the outfits that I'll be taking to wear, and then trying to show you guys what shoes are going to go with what in my head, if that makes any sense. So the first shoes that I'm going to share is these, and I'm only bringing these because my cousin says something about we may go out to a club, you know, go to some type of little like party club scene, and so I packed a dress specifically for these. So these are only going to be worn if I wear that dress or if we go somewhere where that dress is appropriate, because it's kind of a little over the top. But these shoes will be for that, for the nightlife. These are just some slides, little bedazzled slides, little sandals. I figured these would be good, like either on the beach, if we go out and about, out to eat, shopping, whatever. So these I'm planning to wear because I packed a pair of jeans. You guys, I don't know what the weather is going to be. Once again, I like to be over prepared. So I've got jeans, shorts, dresses. I've got everything. So I got these to wear with a pair of jeans. If I end up wearing them, this is going to go with that outfit. And then I also have my trusty but dusty black heels here. I have some black fake leather leggings and like a little off the shoulder, one shoulder type of situation shirt. And I figured if I wear that, then these shoes would be perfect for that. Either if we go out somewhere, I'm thinking the dress and the first pair of shoes, or the all black outfit with the leather pants and these heels. So I'm prepared, but I have these. I also have almost the same identical heels, just in tan. And I'm also bringing these either for a dress, the jeans if I want to dress the jeans up, or the same kind of outfit as I was describing the black one, except this one's brown and tan. It's like brown fake leather leggings. But either way, I'm taking these as well because these can go with so many outfits depending on the weather, what we're doing, and how it looks. And then also I just got some regular little, some more sandal slides. Once again, these would be good for walking out and about on the beach, whatever. So just know, whatever this trip throws at me, I'm going to be ready, okay? Like, I got this. And then I also just have my little black fuzzy Juicy Couture slides here, slippers, whatever you want to call them. I'm taking these just to wear like around the hotel. And also I'm going to probably wear these down there because it's going to be late by the time we get there anyway. We're not leaving until like 6 in the afternoon. So by the time we get there, it's going to be time to like get comfy and go to bed. So I'm just going to wear some sweatpants and these and maybe like a little hoodie or something on the way down there. But these are definitely in the to-go list as well. And then this bag. This is where all of the clothes are. This is my little Juicy Couture duffel bag. And actually, I got this for the trip, but also it's going to come in handy for so many other purposes, which you guys will find out shortly, or I will let you guys know. But this will also come in handy later on. I thought this thing was adorable. I loved it. And the tag on here, like, I'm not going to ever take this Juicy Couture tag off, I don't think. But it was originally $118, and I got it at Burlington for like $40. So it was definitely worth it. And it is packed full. And when I say packed full, I do mean packed full of so many things. So we've got some hairspray in here. Because like I said, I'm taking so many like personal care items and hair things. I got my saline because I wear contacts. Got some lotion, which I need to get some more because that's almost out. I got some sunscreen because you guys, I am pale and I cannot tan very well. And I'm not trying to be burnt and in pain. So I definitely got the sunscreen. Brand new. I got it just for this purpose. Although, don't judge me. I should have had sunscreen. I should use it every day like most people. But anyways, at least I got it now. Some body spray. This is dirty. It's got makeup all over it. But this is my little headband for when I do my makeup. Got some deodorant in here as well. And my hairbrush, which I probably need to pull this hair out of this hairbrush. And so I think that's all for like the random items. Now we can get into the clothes. So I'm taking these to sleep in, little Juicy Couture like night shorts, and they're fuzzy. They match the slippers. You guys, I'm so weird. Just a little pink tank top to sleep in as well because I like to be comfortable. I'm a free sleeper. I don't want to be tied down in anything. And then I'm also taking this little net dress. It's actually very long. And then the, what is it? The slip on the inside stops at a certain length, and then the dress goes on down. I thought it was really cute, so that's definitely going. And then I'm taking my Kevin Gates shirt that I DIY'd. I bleached it and cut a whole bunch of holes in it. I am definitely taking this just for like a little chill outfit, or, you know, whatever. And I'm going to pair it with these green shorts. And whatever outfits I end up wearing or using during the trip, then I will definitely like try to take pictures and insert or put it in a vlog for you guys so you can see like my vision. But I packed, this is the other outfit that I was talking about, with the brown leather leggings and a brown shirt. And then I also got some jeans here with a little bodysuit, off the shoulder bodysuit type of shirt, and it hooks, you know, in the crotch. So I'm taking that. And then I also have this black fuzzy jacket in here because I'm thinking if we do go out, if I wear the dress that I'm planning for like the club or like a party scene type of outfit, I get cold very easily, and I don't know what the temperature is going to be in these places. So the best jacket that I have that would actually kind of go with it without ruining the whole outfit would be this black fuzzy one. So I'm going to wear this with this dress here. It's just a like one sleeve and then off the shoulder tight bodycon type dress with the cute little beads and bedazzles on the top. That's why I think it'll match with those silver heels really good. So that's that outfit. And then I also have another like night out outfit just in case, whatever the occasion is, with the black leather leggings and this shirt here, like mesh on the top, and it's got one sleeve, and then this just wraps around like this. So that's going to be another outfit with the black heels. And then I'm also taking, oh, I put this in the washer with this on here. I gotta cut that off. But I'm also taking this blue Michael Kors one-piece bathing suit because this is adorable, you guys. So I'm definitely taking this. And to wear with this when we're like just walking to the beach or walking back or whatever, whenever it's not in use for swimming. I got these white like see-through net pants to wear with that, just for like a bottom cover up so I don't feel extremely exposed. So that's going to go together. And then I'm also taking another bathing suit. This is a two-piece bathing suit because there's the beach, and I think the hotel has like 2 pools. So like, I want to have options, okay? So we're taking this bathing suit, this 2-piece as well. And then for a cover up for that one, I was thinking this black little like fishnet dress, maybe. I'm thinking, you know, that'll be a cute little cover up or a thing to go with that one, since it's such a bright bathing suit. It will pop. In my head, it works. I don't know what it's going to do once we get it on. I also have some bras and underwear in here and socks, but I'm not going to show that to you guys because it's not that important. And then my Minnie Mouse beach towel, you guys. My daughter has one of these too. Y'all, as a 32-year-old woman, I was in the biggest decision of my life when it came to the Minnie Mouse beach towel or the Bluey beach towel, because I'm a Bluey fan. I love Bluey. But I got this because my daughter has one as well, and I just thought it was cute. And plus, when I'm done with it, I can just give it to her, because we actually use these for like her bath towels and pool towels for here at the house. So that way she can have 2 now. So I got this pretty much to use it once and then give it to her. And then there's just my sweatpants, my Snoop Dogg sweatpants. I have literally worn the crap out of these things. I love them. But these are probably what I'm going to be wearing down there with the tank top. And then I have the jacket that goes with this as well. But it's currently in my car, and I need to wash that before tomorrow. So I need to make a point to go get that after I finish this video. So there you have it, you guys. I am all done unloading these bags. I already packed them so that I knew what I wanted to take and how I was going to, you know, maneuver it and get it all to fit. But then I wanted to make content out of this great opportunity that I was blessed with. So I was like, I got to unpack it again to do this video and then repack it one more time. So now that I'm done unpacking these bags and showing you guys what I'm packing and what I'm taking to the beach, now it's time for me to get off of here and pack all of this stuff back away once again, and hopefully I get it all to fit how I did the first time. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave it a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and make sure you leave your comments down below until my next video. And if you haven't done it already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I film and upload randomly, and I have all types of content here, and I do not want you guys to miss out on anything. So please make sure you do that. Once again, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm off to go pack all these bags again so that I can enjoy my trip, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.